आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस एक दिन की नहीं है। आजकल लोग इसे एक दिन का फैशन समझकर मनाते हैं और कहीं न कहीं इसे भूल जाते हैं। हमें उन दिनों को याद रखना चाहिए कि हमें आज़ादी कितनी मुश्किलों से मिली थी। इसीलिए हमें हमेशा अपने देश की भलाई, समाज की भलाई और लोगों की भलाई के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। मैंने एक छोटा सा स्पीच लिखा है। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर स्पीच। Wishing everyone a happy Independence Day. In 1947, India was declared as a free country. We have completed 74 years as an independent nation. Today, I will give a short speech on the topic Contribution of Freedom Fighters in the Making of India. We are in the 21st century and today we have the freedom to speak and walk without any restrictions or rules. Some of us may wonder, what was the role of freedom fighters in attaining freedom? Let me tell you, we can't even imagine what freedom feels like without them. India is a land of diversity, where people of different caste, religious, culture live together. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। Some freedom fighters choose the path of non-violence and truth, while others choose the path of violence to end the foreign rule. Freedom fighters were the people who sacrificed their lives selflessly for the freedom of their country. They were considered as a symbol of bravery. On this special day, let us remember our heroes and what important role they played in the fight for independence. Whether their contribution was big or small, they are important today as they were in those times. Today, on the occasion of this auspicious day, I will discuss some freedom fighters in India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We all are aware of his famous line, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस was the founder of the Indian National Army. He trained many soldiers to fight against the British Army. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi chose the way of non-violence and truth. We all know about the great name Rani Lakshmi Bai. She became the ruler of Jhansi when she was only 18 years old. Bhagat Singh, he joined the struggle for freedom at a very young age, and death a mantra at the age of only 23 years. The contribution of Indian freedom fighters will remain eternal. It is because of all these people and many unsung heroes we can live in a free country. So, I am ending my speech with few final words. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है। सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।